Hello, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, hi, I'm V and I do videos on beauty reviews and tutorials. So as you can see by the title of the video, today I'm going to be reviewing a few items from a brand that specializes in sustainable jewelry, which if you guys know me and have been following me for a little while, you know I'm all for supporting brands that give back to our environment and are conscious of recycling materials. Today I have 4 different pieces from Origin Beauty to review and showcase to you guys. I really love wearing these pieces knowing that they are eco-conscious, whether it's their lab-grown gemstones or diamonds, recycled gold and silver, and recyclable packaging. It's 2024, we're all in support of nurturing and saving our planet. So this box is made of recycled materials. We absolutely love that. So this is what it looks like when you open the packaging. On the back you can see it says the recycled materials, and the packaging supports responsible forestry. It just opens up like that, and the pieces come in these suede pouches that you can recycle and kind of like use as either money pouches or when you're traveling and you want to transport your jewelry. Starting with my absolute favorite, which is the Croissant Baroque pearl earrings. So the reason that I love these earrings so much, I'm always wearing the same pair of these like plain hoops with like a small freshwater pearl on them, and I feel like I'm just wearing these way too often, and I need to kind of jazz things up a little bit to wear, say if I'm going to like a really nice dinner or a wedding. And I feel like these earrings just really do it for me. They really stand out. They really say, hey, I'm here. Absolutely beautiful. I'm like obsessed. They're gorgeous. I really find that these are so unique and that like they really elevate any outfit, especially that now my aesthetic is kind of more like old money, vintage vibes. And also what's really fun is that Origin Beauty also has like a croissant collection on their website, and they even have this really cute croissant ring. In terms of materials, these are natural pearl, and the metal is made of recycled sterling silver with 18 karat gold vermeil. So let's do like a little crash course. So gold vermeil is generally sterling silver with at least 2.5 microns of gold layered over top, which is equivalent to 0.0025 millimeters in thickness. Otherwise, if it's anything less, it's gold plated. So gold vermeil is actually a really great alternative to purchasing real gold because it's going to be great quality without you having to empty out your pocket. So now that we've had a little introduction to gold vermeil and why Origin Beauty is so awesome for using it, let's carry on to the next pieces. So the next piece that I have is the Pearl Heart Pendant Charm. Very small, very dainty. I think that like this would pair pretty much with everything, which is kind of why I chose it. I think it's really a lovely piece. I'm always wearing the same mother of pearl necklace like anytime I want to go somewhere. I wanted something similar to what I already have, but something that is a little bit more unique, but that can also be paired easily with other things that I'm gonna wear. One thing that's really cool about this pendant is that it's actually being suspended by a clasp that you can open and close, so you can actually pin this to a chain or just have the chain loop through. So again, this item is made from 18 karat gold vermeil. I like that the surrounding gold has a flowy edge to it instead of like a solid hard edge. I find it gives it a bit of more of an organic character and a little bit of texture. So I've been pairing this heart charm with the Origin Beauty Infinity Chain Link necklace. The length of this necklace actually allows me to either wear it on its own, fits perfectly with this collared shirt that I'm wearing, or I can decide to pair it with another longer chain underneath. In terms of quality, this chain necklace feels very sturdy. I find it's not too bulky. It's still thin enough that it looks very elegant, but you can still kind of like see it from afar. Now for my final piece, I have the Sun Goddess Opal Pendant, which has like a celestial and ethereal kind of vibe to it. I can kind of picture myself on the beach, like sipping an Aperol Spritz overlooking the ocean when I see this pendant. I think it's also the color, it just reminds me of an Aperol Spritz. It's kind of giving bohemian chic vibes. I believe this one would be a fire opal. What's really nice about this piece is that on the backside, it does feature the Origin Beauty signature green gemstone. As my first vermeil pieces, I'm absolutely in love with these styles. I totally recommend you guys give Origin Beauty and their gold vermeil pieces a try. If you guys do feel like you want to indulge in Van Sustainable Jewelry. I do have a coupon code for 25% off if you want to use the code VAN25. Make sure you put that into your checkout bag and you can secure yourself a good discount on these beautiful pieces of jewelry. So that's my little unboxing review of Origin Beauty Paris Sustainable Jewelry. I hope you guys will like this video. Please remember to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram at v_vogue so you can get updates on my latest tutorials and beauty reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!